what up? Hey, True. Hey, True. Hey, True. What's up? Hey, I had a good time with you today. You know, who knew I was stumbled upon my very own Michelle Obama?
You know that is a quintessential red flag for a black man to say that, right?
Oh, oh, really?
Yeah, I'm just trying to put you on game, in the event that you end up talking to somebody else.
Thanks for informing me, but I don't even remember that. I told you I'm not interested in talking to anybody outside of you.
Well, aren't you supposed to be making your way home from the gym?
Oh, look at you, making sure I make it home safely. But don't worry, I'm home. I'm sitting in my car until I go inside and get cleaned up.
Well, I know you've had a long day, so I don't want to keep you tied up or anything. I'll let you go.
Wait. Why I feel like you're trying to rush me off the phone? You don't want to talk to me or something?
No, no, that's not it. Of course I want to keep talking to you.
Hey, True, baby. Hey, we went over this. You're not messing up anything, all right? I want to talk to you, okay?
Okay.
So tell me, what you wearing right now?
Excuse me, what?
I'm just kidding. Just kidding. I'm joking. I did want to go to sleep with a beautiful picture of my mom, though.
Boy, you better stop playing with me.
No, I'm kind of for real, though. Come on. You don't have to play hard to get with me. I know you feel the vibe between us. Some say it will be, majestic.
I don't know what you're talking about.
All right. Keep playing. I'm going to have to come over there and get you together.
I got another call coming in. I gotta take this. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Hey, True, hey. All right.
What's up?
Hey, B. What up, girl? What you doing this evening?
Why do you sound out of breath?
Oh, because I just came from working out. That's all.
Working out or getting worked out?
I'm sorry. What? I mean, listen. You know I am trying to do this whole abstinence thing, right?
And how is that going?
Well, to be real honest with you.
I gotta go boo boo badly. I need to hop off this phone.
Okay. Bye.
Hello?
Hey, Nikki girl. What's up?
I'm about to grab a milkshake. Did you want me to bring you one back?
No, baby, I'm okay. Thank you. Be safe. Alright, girl, nothing. Just about to do some laundry before I head to bed. What's going on with you?
Oh, nothing. I just was checking on you this evening, seeing how you were doing.
There's literally nothing new over here. How are things with you and old boy?
Jabari, girl, things are good. I'm actually thinking that he might be the one.
The one or the one right now?
No, for real this time.
Okay, well, are y'all official?
Not technically, but he's not seeing anyone, and neither am I, so by default, yeah, kind of.
So he's okay with the no sex thing?
Yeah, he's really actually respecting my boundaries on this.
Girl, you stay strong, and I am praying for you, okay?
Yeah, I'm good over here, girl. No sex zone. No sex zone.
All right now, girl. Oh, hold on. Oh, girl, this is Nick. Let me go and get this.
Okay, have a good night. God, I'm trying over here.
I'm 6'2" without my heels on.
Okay.
So y'all at least 6.
Okay,
I could compromise there.
I can dig it.
How tall are you? Okay. All right. So why was your balloon unpopped?
He's handsome. Yeah, and I like what he was saying.
And why'd you end up popping her balloon?
Just a process of elimination from what I like.
Well, help me, Jesus. Shoot. Yeah. Oh, I guess. Help me, God. The Lord is my shepherd. I have what I need. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He refreshes my soul. He guides me along the right paths for his name's sake. And even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil. And I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Okay, now what, God? I got it. Okay, I'm excited about this. I'm gonna start a video diary. Okay, hear me out. I think I know what's gonna help me on this sexual healing journey, I guess that's what we'll call it. I need to go out and touch grass. Like for real. Go outside and touch grass. As I was reading the Bible tonight, I realized that God is in nature, and I think that's where I need to be.